Shockingly, this truck was not overheating. So there was a little bit of an opening, so water was going up into the cylinder head, but this thing is an absolute mess. It just basically solidifies and clogs everything. So inside of your hand, when you touch this stuff, it just resembles cement. So there's definitely some kind of sand, gritty material inside of it when you squeeze it. I contacted a local machine shop and I'm like, what's the repair for getting stop leak out of a cylinder block? And they said, pull all the freeze plugs out and put it through their parts washer. So that is not going to be an expensive fix at all. It's going to be very cheap, just like the stop leak stuff. Just kidding. It's going to be like thousands of dollars.